title of this video is going to be how we almost didn't make it to LS Fest. This is even just brand new cold. It's not even warmed up yet. You can hear that turbo just firing right up. I think we're gonna have a really smooth drive. I should really feel like that. So we'll just get gas while we're starting the trip. I have no idea how old the gas is in the car. There we go. Maiden voyage complete. A first one for Corvette owners ever. Magic Go-Go juice. I'm gonna put extra because we're on our maiden voyage. So I'm gonna put 16 ounces in for half a tank. I don't know how many gallons it's gonna be. So we basically have an 18-gallon gas tank. I'm gonna guess we'll get over 10 miles to the gallon, so 180. We should be able to make it there on one tank, but we'll fill up as needed.
We're officially on the highway.
We're officially on the highway. We did it. Now we just have to do this repeatedly for a couple hours. You just hear that turbo though, dude. I'm in 4th gear right now, and I'm trying not to lug the engine because the gearing's so tall, but you just hear that turbo just, it wants it. It wants it bad. We're halfway to Barstow and the drugs have taken hold. It's actually, I didn't make that up, it's actually a reference to a pretty famous line. We are in a drug of some sort. The Rotary Corvette has just been solid. It's almost too solid. The drive has been solid. We are in Barstow, so we've done about, I don't know, 80 miles so far. Just idling smooth, running smooth. There's boost, smooth. Everything has just been wonderful. Our hood's floating a little bit because there's no hood latches. We're banking on the fact that the hood opens up in reverse. The only thing we had to worry about was on our way to Victorville, which is on the way to Barstow, just like right now, some serious inclines, but for like 10 miles. And we watched the coolant system rise, fall, and it managed itself beautifully. But this engine has been wonderful, including the fact that we both realized on the trip, wait a second, this thing is solid mounted. There is no rubber bushing, grommet, anything. It is just straight up solidly mounted, and it feels really good. It feels way softer than the 3-rotor idling, and so I don't know, a lot of people were telling us can't do it. It's such an issue that is not an issue. We're gonna make it to Baker, maybe pick up some beef jerky, some alien jerky, but really get another tank of gas and continue proving that rotaries are pretty damn reliable. Why the fuck does my door always look? Okay guys, so of course you want to show your strong suite, you want to look like alpha. Hey, we've just brought a Rotary Corvette to life last night. In the last 48 hours it didn't exist. Here we are. Every positive is not without its negative, and that's the spice of life. That's what I'm saying to keep that barrel out of my mouth. In this case, it has nothing to do with the rotary engine. The engine itself is perfectly fine. Everything's running beautiful. We're 150 miles away from where we started. First test drive, 150 miles away, we finally have issues. The turbo, not the Garrett turbo, but the turbo situation caught on fire. You feed a turbo oil, and then you try and get out all of it as quickly and as much as possible. And in this case, we weren't getting it out as quick as possible. It backed up in the turbo, puked it out, and then caught it on fire. That's fun. So what we're about to do is we're still on the last day of LS Fest, last hours. We're gonna make it, symbolically, we made it. We're here, we have a Rotary Corvette, we're in the middle of the desert. We did it. The symbolic is to be at LS Fest, and that's what's gonna happen. So we have only a handful of hours, and you'll see that video first, that we made it, yay. But here's the real story behind how we got there. I don't think I've ever looked this good and stylish working on a car, and so I had to update it. The guy that supplied us the wrap, this is actually a wrap fender, gave me this hat, and honest to God, I actually love this hat. I don't wear hats often, but it fits the outfit. Right now, we're literally ready to pull the turbo off, and you can see, oh dear God, just enough. Okay, we're gonna take the rest of that AN line off, take a look at the bottom line, see what's going on with that. Okay, so keeping all the water lines, oh I forgot to put that, that's not relevant. Oh, there you have it. That's what did it.
That's fucked.
That is fucked. Oh my God, look at the turbo draining. That's all just out of the turbo. Sorry, turbo. That is just insane. You can see, there's where our problem started. Crazy enough to me, it's actually not that, I mean, it's a tight bend, it got fucked. No doubt about that. These are two different problems. This cooked it, and then it bent, and then cooked in like that, but that means it had pressure to bend, and it chose that path. That had pressure on that return line. That's bad. Now that we're waiting for Abel and we got some time to kill, we might as well launch the last video, which is all about how this car is running perfectly. No, we're launching the video right now about how we got to this point, or at least up to last night. We literally edited it this morning at 2 in the morning, what it took to get this car idling. And oh my God, the sound of that is amazing. If you haven't seen that video, obviously, you probably would have already seen it. Check that one out. We're right now going through thumbnails, so I think we're gonna do brat, which is like, oh, there's a fellow Corvette. Hello, Fred. He didn't stop. I wonder why. We're gonna change this title. What do you guys think it should be? Rotary Corvette. Idling, I don't know. Well, you'll see. You guys, yeah, you guys will have to see.
Oh,
yes, our savior is here.
oh my God! Oh, Jesus Christ!
Did I hit it?
No. It's going back in.
See that shit?
That was impressive. He did that on purpose.
Hey, that was close,
That
not
was
impressive. That was too close.
I thought you did it on purpose.
He's our luck still.
I know.
The good thing is you're not too far away. Pull it out, hold it straight. Let's make this one first a hair shorter. Unclamp it, and then we'll slide this hose back up. So if she has fiberglass, so it should be a lot better than it was.
Yeah.
We just gotta muscle this one and rotate this.
I think it was, yeah, something like that. Trying to shorten it to reduce the kink. Actually still had a kink, so we're gonna make it longer so it can loop around. Just a really bad angle, because we're using the T4 flange and it just makes things wider and it gets in the way. So we're trying to find another way to go around and get back to its home.
You're on the road again.
You said we're on the road again.
Fuck yes. I was waiting to take my door off with those semi. This is good. This is really good. That good Samaritan, that guy just showed up out of nowhere.
savior.
We are in a completely different state on our very first drive. Oh, right there it is. I'm so excited. Okay, we're basically in Vegas, which means we're basically at the Motor Speedway, which means we basically made it to LS Fest, basically in the right amount of time. Everybody's upset, and they're all exciting, and they're all cheering and clapping, and then somebody gave me $100. It all really happened.